represent one co-executor that wants to sell a property, and the other co-executor does not want to sell a property. It's the same property. What to do? What to do? Well, when there is disagreement, as in any family, as in any circumstance, as in any discussion, we have to try to come to an agreement. Mom, Dad, can I sleep over at my friend's house? One parent says yes, one parent says no. Mom, Dad, can I stay up late tonight? One parent says yes, one parent says no. You're with your spouse. I'd like to see the science fiction movie. And the other spouse says, I'd like to see A Complete Unknown. How do you come to terms with that? Which movie do you see? What restaurant do you eat food at? So how do we come to an agreement? One person has to put forth the argument. There's a house in our parents' estate, and there's 5 of us that are entitled to the benefit of those proceeds. So that's this instance, right? There are 2 siblings that are the co-administrators of an estate. Once the house is sold, this property, I'm going to call it $1 million. Once that property is sold, the proceeds after expenses are to be divided into 5 equal shares. Well, if the house doesn't sell, you can't divide anything because there's no money. One beneficiary could conceivably buy out the rest, then you could divide the money. But the one person doesn't want to sell, doesn't want to buy it out either, just wants to sit on the property. And the other person, the other co-administrator, the person that I represent, wants to sell. So if we can't come to an agreement, a meeting of the minds, a resolution, a consented to arrangement, then I have to go before the surrogate and amend the petition and ask for the property to be sold. Judge, surrogate, there is money in them thar hills. There is money trapped in the brick and mortar of the building. Please allow me to sell it so that all of the beneficiaries can be benefited. I'm going to think of that phrase. All of the beneficiaries can be benefited. If you need any surrogate's court work, estate planning, guardianship, reach out. If you have questions, I will answer them on camera, straight to film. Little to no editing. I film one shot. I sit in front of the camera in my studio space, my home office room. It doubles as my studio. I have a light, and another light, and a camera. Lights, camera, action. And now, once we're over, it'll be turn off the lights, turn off the camera, turn off the action.